I made the devil run. I gave him poison just for fun. I had one friend, now there's none. I made the devil run. I broke so many bones, but none of them were ever my own. They were an army, I was alone. I broke so many bones.
Today we are at Florence Motor Speedway, and it's another hot day in South Carolina, which means that practice is basically a waste, as it is every single time that we're here, because the track changes so much from day to night. But I do love this track, and if you've been following me on Twitter or just watching my videos, then you probably know that. And then another thing that you're probably staring at right now is what the hell is that little prepubescent stash on your face? Basically, it's a little bet I have outside of racing for a round of golf, and I'm not going to lose competition, so we're rocking it for the video today. But a little update, because a lot of people didn't seem to watch to the end of the video last week, so be sure to do that this week, just in case anything controversial happens tonight. But we did win the Dominion race after Tech. It was cleared on Tuesday, and I do not have the trophy in my possession yet. But Bobby McCarty called me on Wednesday or Thursday, and he told me that he's going to leave it at Dominion. Apparently it lights on fire, and it's cool, because Dinah and Willie Mullins made it, and they told me it was badass. So we'll see if I make a gas bomb with it, or if I can like light it on fire properly. Either way, we'll do that at the end of the video. You know, much respect to Bobby for actually giving it back, because like I said at the end of the last video, no way in hell I would ever give the trophy back. So that's surprising, but I do appreciate it. It is nice, and that still doesn't change my stance on things moving forwards. If I ever get thrown out for the win, I will not be giving the trophy back. Unless, I guess, if he finishes second, then maybe that'll be the one exception. I guess I owe him one if that ever comes down to it. But hopefully not, because we are a legal race team, and we brought a legal race car tonight, and I'm excited. We do have twins tonight, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show the national points standing right now. It's still not official. I think they owe me some points for some of the Dominion races, so we should be a little bit closer, but we are second in the nation, and I'm running out of breath because I've been talking so much. We played some football, so I'm really gassed, but we're getting ready for the first round of practice, and we'll be sure to take you all along with me today. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. Also give the video a thumbs up, and let's get into the day. I gotta look handsome. Dude, I should grow it out to look like Mr. Monopoly or something. See, everybody else is gonna chicken out and I'm gonna win because that's what I do. I win competitions, just not all the races that I'm a part of. But I wanna get to the point that I have like one of those like flip out mustache combs. Alright, so practice is over and we had the fastest time of the day, which means that we are going to be the last car to qualify, which is usually what we aim for. It doesn't matter too much, but I think really at this track and with the time that qualifying's at, it could be beneficial because it's just constantly getting cooler for the rest of the night until the sun goes completely down. But we're getting ready to rock for qualifying, so we'll see what we can do tonight, and then we'll talk again before the race. Flagman dropped the flag. He dropped it on here. Yeah, watch. It's on the track.
Did you see him?
Yes, I'd seen it on the track when I was coming by. So we wound up third in qualifying, which is all right. We're on the bottom. Usually the bottom rolls at the beginning of the races, so we'll see what we can do. Hopefully this 13 doesn't have another twin performance like it did the last time we were here, because he was hauling ass. But you know, I'm ready to fight. We'll be as aggressive as we need to be, but we're definitely not going to be settling for anything less than a win tonight.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, getting ready to fire off some late model stocks.
All right, dudes, have a good one. Know what we gotta do. Call it close. Let's run this bitch like it's the last 40 laps of the fucking Daytona 500 or something. I'm gonna run the shit out of it. 10-4, one to go at the line. Green. behind the 21 if you want it. Still clear up. There's a wreck behind you. It's gonna be, yellows will be out. 1 and 2 is kind of blocked. Yellow's out. Got one on the bottom and in the middle here. Green. You got one outside still behind her. Got the 28 outside. You'll be still outside. Clear up behind him if you want it. Still inside. Clear low. Clear by 2, it's stretching over the 21, lap 9 here. You got the 21 2 back, and then you got a half a straightaway on the next guy. Lap 17 right here. Should we give up or what? I want you to do what you think's best, Doug. I mean, I'm not driving it, but you got all the room in the world behind you. I mean, like I said, 6th place is just now out of 2. Maybe just kind of ride easy where you're at, just make sure nothing happens here. We still got plenty of time. You're not halfway yet, but you can conserve. Same thing, you're clear by 3 over 4 over the 21 and a straightaway to the next guy. So there's 21 with you, and there's 2 cars broke away from the field that we could split by easily if we need to as well. Lap 33 here. I think you ought to start dropping back. Pull down if you're going to do anything. Going outside, you got one more about 4 back. Looking. Still looking. Outside. So the next one is 4 back, 5 back. You'll be coming back to 2 to go. So the T2 is 4 back. Just want to let him go. I think that'd be about it. So outside, the next car is a half straightaway behind you. You're clear behind him. The 90 wants to by himself if you want to pull down the back straightaway. You're coming back to the checkers. He's going to try not to pass you. I'd fucking slow way down. He's outside. Outside. Slow down. Alright. This is bullshit racing. How did you run fucking hard on them or what? No, I mean, once I got some distance, I just kind of kept it at bay to kind of conserve the tire. Like, the tire should be fine.
That's how every lap is. He's pinched too. Didn't see how much more drive he had in front.
Gnats up there, bro. I'm telling you, these other spotters, gotta keep them off you.
So we're getting ready to rock, and obviously we played the invert game in that first race. As much as I love the racing here, I hate the twins anywhere, so it doesn't really change here, but we got a lot of tire left. I saved a lot. You know, as you can probably tell from the race audio in the first race, we just gave up, so we have a lot more than that, and I'm gonna go drive the pit side of this race car for 40 laps and see what we can do.
There's no holding back. I would say our safe spot's the straightaway lead if we can get that. That's work. Yeah, absolutely.
All right, Dougie, let's get him like you did in the icebreaker. Come on, buddy.
Plan. Green. Good start. You got the edge. You'll be good. All clear. Clear by 2 over the 21. Clear by 3.5, 4. Lap 10. Doing good. You got 3 over the 21 and a straightaway over to 51. Good corner, opened it up, clear by 4, back to lap 15, everything's looking good, clear by 6. I for sure wouldn't let up, just get what you can without killing it, come off the corner, just keep driving hard like you're doing. About 3/4 straightaway over the 21 and a full straightaway over the 51. Come back to lap 18. We come back to halfway this next time. Use your head here, Cap. Still about a half straightaway on the 21 and full straightaway over the 51. Nobody's coming, just keep maintaining this pace. At 13 to go here. About a half straightaway gap behind. Use your head. 11 to go. Use your head. Coming to 10 to go. Don't let them kill you. Just get up on the top. Pick a lane. There you go. Beautiful. Clear, clear, clear. Back to 8 to go. That 21 is maintaining the gap with us. So just be alert. She ain't coming, but she's maintaining. So don't let up any. Come back to 6 to go. All clear. Don't let up. Now she's within fucking 4 car lengths, 3 car lengths. She's driving down into 3 real hard. That's solely because that lap bar just fucked you up. Just hit your mark. Coming back to 2 to go. Roll your fucking sleeves up. Get involved. That's working. Still clear by 4. Coming back to the white. Give me one more just like that, buddy. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. One more. Nice job, dude. Good shit, boys! Let's go!
Good job, buddy. Good job.
Well, we can make sense of the trip this time. Good job, dude. Yes, sir. Thanks for sticking up with me, guys. Good shit this weekend.
Dude, I didn't piss nobody off here, I don't think.
I can take a selfie real quick?
Yeah, bro. Put the ones up.
Shout out Doug, that's about it. Hey, it was always Doug Barnes. It was always Doug.
That is true, all 40 laps. It was never anybody else.
Hey, good job today, man.
Thanks, man.
Great job.
That wraps up a successful night at Florence Motor Speedway, and the reason I just said it like that is because I just started like crazy 35 times. But you know, I don't like the twins, but it's nice to finally play the invert correctly and actually win the second race. Last time we were here for twins, we did exactly what we did in the first race, but we wound up second like we normally do in the second race. So it is nice to finally get it done. You know, it was a good race. 21 kept me on my toes. I really thought I was going to run away with it, and then that lap car held me up a good bit. I'm thrilled with that. That's a good national points night. So if I can, I will update you on the standings right here, but I don't think they come out until Thursday, and I upload on Wednesday. So I'm going to get this video out quickly because I'm actually going on vacation. That's right. The AirDoug is taking some time off. So I'm trying to get this video out quickly, but technically this is two wins in a row. If we don't count the first race. We gave up, right? Right. That's good. We don't count the first race. We got Papa AirDoug waiting. Filming. So, happy Father's Day to my dad. I actually forgot to say that in the interview because I'm a professional asshole. So, happy Father's Day to all dads that watch my stuff. Ryan's dad, my dad, everybody else. And you know, I'm just super stoked with this win. It's a good points night. If you're new, be sure to subscribe. Also like the video. And hopefully the next thing you see is me driving to Dominion.
Bad could be bad, I'm bad as bad could be. I'm bad as bad could be. Bad as bad can be, so bad.